Advantages of polycarbonate sheets for manufacturing projects. Polycarbonate sheets are increasingly popular in manufacturing due to their strength, versatility, and resistance to various elements. Durability and strength. These sheets are impact resistant, withstand heavy loads, and are less likely to crack or break compared to glass, making them ideal for structures like greenhouses and canopies. Versatility. Polycarbonate sheets can be cut and shaped for use in numerous industries, including construction, automotive, and electronics. They are especially useful where transparency is important. UV resistance. Resistant to UV radiation, these sheets do not yellow or become brittle, making them perfect for outdoor applications like greenhouses. Fire resistance. Polycarbonate sheets are self-extinguishing and won't continue to burn once the fire source is removed, ideal for fire-rated structures. Energy efficiency. High insulation properties help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing energy costs and improving energy efficiency. High insulation properties help maintain indoor temperatures, reducing energy costs and improving energy efficiency. Thank you for watching.